All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2005 Mazak Quick-Turn Nexus 250Ms. It has a Mazatrol 640T Nexus control. You have a chuck mounted on the main spindle, a collet chuck mounted on the sub. You have live tooling. It's a 12-position turret, VDI style. You have tool presetter as well, chip conveyor. Let's start with the main spindle. That's 1,000 on the main spindle. That's 1,700. That's 2,200. Nice and quiet. I'm going to connect the C-axis. The full C-axis on the main. Now we'll run the live tooling. That's 1,000 RPM on the live tooling. That's 1,700. That's 2,500 on the live tooling. Index. Then you have, that's your Z-axis. That's your X. And then you have your W, which is your sub spindle. Run sub spindle. That's 1,000 on the sub. That's 1,700. That's 2,500. All right, this machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.